What is Malwarebytes? Malwarebytes is an anti-malware software that detects and removes malware and other threats from computers and mobile devices. It provides protection against a variety of threats, including viruses, worms, trojans, ransomware, spyware, and rootkits. Malwarebytes for Home. Malwarebytes for Home is designed for individual users and families. It provides real-time protection, scans for and removes malware, and offers features like ransomware protection and malicious website blocking. It can be used on Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS devices. Malwarebytes for Business. Malwarebytes for Business is tailored for small to large enterprises. It offers advanced threat detection, endpoint protection, and remediation across the entire network. It includes features like centralized management, threat intelligence, and protection against advanced threats. The business version can be deployed on a variety of operating systems, including Windows and macOS. Malwarebytes Personal Pricing. Malwarebytes offers several pricing tiers for personal use. Free version provides basic malware removal tools but lacks real-time protection. Premium costs approximately $39.99 per year for a single device, offering real-time protection, ransomware protection, and web protection. Premium Privacy includes all the features of Premium plus a VPN for online privacy and costs around $89.99 per year for a single device. Reason to use Malwarebytes. Users should consider using Malwarebytes for its robust protection against a wide range of threats. It is especially effective in detecting and removing malware that traditional antivirus programs may miss. Its real-time protection, ransomware defense, and web protection features provide comprehensive security, helping to ensure that personal or business data remains safe from evolving cyber threats. Go to Malwarebytes today and try it for free. Link in video description. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe.